Lecture, Degrees of Comparison. Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all doing well. Today's topic is degrees of comparison. It is one of the most important grammar topics because we use it every day to compare people, animals, places, and things. Let's start. What are degrees of comparison? Degrees of comparison are used to compare the quality of nouns, people, animals, places, or things. They show whether someone or something has more, less, or the highest level of equality. There are 3 degrees of comparison. 1. Positive degree. 2. Comparative degree. 3. Superlative degree. Now let's discuss each one in detail. 1. Positive degree. Definition: the positive degree is the basic form of an adjective. It describes only one person, animal, place, or thing without making any comparison. Formula: subject plus be verb plus adjective. Examples: Ali is intelligent. This pen is beautiful. The water hot. She is intelligent. 2. Comparative degree. Definition: the comparative degree compares 2 people, animals, places, or things. We usually add to short adjectives or use more before long adjectives. We often use them in comparative sentences. Formula: subject plus be verb plus comparative adjective plus than plus object. Examples: Ali is intelligent than Ahmed. This road is longer than that road. She is taller than her brother. Gold is more expensive than silver. Arabic is easier than mathematics. 3. Superlative degree. Definition: the superlative degree compares 3 or more people, animals, places, or things and shows the highest degree of equality. We usually add s to short adjectives or use most before long adjectives. We usually use the before the superlative adjective. Formula: subject plus be verb plus the plus superlative adjective. Examples: Ali is the intelligent boy in the class. K2 is the highest mountain. She is the most intelligent student. This is the best book. Today is the hottest day of the week. Rules of degrees of comparison. Rule 1. For short adjectives, add and est. Examples: tall, taller, tallest, small, smaller, smallest, fast, faster, fastest. Rule 2. For long adjectives, use more and most. Examples: beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, careful, more careful, most careful, important, more important, most important. Rule 3. Some adjectives have irregular forms. Good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, far, farther, further, farthest, furthest, little, less, least, many, much more, most. Let's revise the lecture. Today we learned: positive degree describes one person or thing. Comparative degree compares 2 people or things. Superlative degree compares 3 or more and shows the highest quality. Short adjectives usually take est. Long adjectives usually take more most. Some adjectives have irregular forms like good, better, best. That's all for today's lecture. Thank you for watching. See you in the next English grammar lecture.